Just add the booking to your Google Calendar. FRP Hospitality automatically sends the tenant a QR key with optional FaceKey access. When the tenant arrives, they simply open their QR key in Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. FRP Hospitality already emailed it to them after syncing with the host's Google Calendar booking. Running on any Android phone or tablet inside the rental, the app scans the QR key through an IP camera or video doorbell and unlocks the door using the modern, energy-efficient Matter protocol. With just one click, add FaceKey. Leave your phone, your wallet, and your keys behind. Just grab your surfboard, hit the beach, and let your face unlock the door when you're back. Give your guests one less thing to think about. No more wondering if they brought their key or where they left it.
Guest one.
That's real freedom, just enjoying the vacation. Happy guests leave great reviews, and great reviews turn into more revenue. Access is temporary by design. QR keys and face keys stay on the local device and are automatically erased when the booking ends. Everything you need to download and set up FRP Hospitality is in the video description below. Mahalo!